Let's talk about how to create a public-facing form on your site that allows collaborators to sign up for programs. In order to do that, first we need to create a page. So let's add a new page. And we're going to name this Join Our Affiliate Program. From the block editor, we're going to click on the little plus, and we're going to search for Siren. And here you'll see Siren Collaborator Registration. Now, if we click on this form right here, we can see that there's all kinds of different settings over on the sidebar that allow us to customize what happens whenever this form is filled out. First off, we can set the status of any collaborator who signs up with this form. We can set them to pending or active. When a collaborator is set to pending, they are unable to create any engagements and can't receive any rewards or actually work at all. Effectively, this means, hey, there's a collaborator that has been created and it is pending your approval for them to be a part of this program. Alternatively, you can set it to active if you just want it to be a completely public program where anybody can join. For this, I'm going to set it to pending. Next, there's a field here that says approve existing collaborators. Basically, what this does is when it's checked, collaborators who sign up will automatically be added to the form's programs. In other words, if you have a collaborator who's on a different program and they are already signed up, they're already registered, and they see a form on your site for a different program than the program they're currently signed up for, and they decide they want to join that program too, and they fill out that form, what this checkbox will do is it'll say, oh, hey, we already know this person. We've already approved this person in the past. Let's go ahead and just automatically allow them to join this program. No need to do any kind of approval or anything like that. If this box is left unchecked, what it will do is it will send you an email and say, hey, this existing collaborator of yours has requested to join this program. Are they allowed? So we're going to go ahead and leave that unchecked. Next, you can see which programs you want this person to automatically be associated with whenever they fill out this form. So in this case, I only want them to be associated with the affiliate program. But say you had a course creation program or something like that, maybe a blog content bonus program, or just multiple programs in general. Maybe you have an affiliate program plus a bonus program that runs like special things on occasion. In those cases, maybe you want somebody to automatically sign up for multiple whenever they sign up for this form. So you can set as many of those programs as you want right here. Next, you can customize the submit message to specify what it says after they fill out the form. Okay. So that's good for now. Obviously, you would want to have some copy and some other things here as well, but we're not going to bother with that for now. We're going to click the publish button, then we're going to view that page. Let's assume that we're a visitor on this site and we don't have an account or anything like that at all yet. And we've decided that we want to join this program. So we're going to add our nickname, and then the name will be Stephen Winter. And the email address could be something like, I don't know, steve@steve.co, whatever. Okay, so we're filling out this form and we click submit. There we go. Just like that, we received a message that says, thank you for your interest. We sent you a confirmation email. Check your inbox. And just like that, we've received an email that says we received a request to create a collaborator account on our site. If this wasn't you, you can ignore this email. So what this email is it's actually being sent specifically to Steve in this case. And it's saying, hey, somebody on the internet filled out this form using your email address. We're sending this email to you just to make sure that it was actually you and it wasn't somebody else just doing something weird. So yes, that was us. We are in fact Steve in this case. So let's click on this link and there we go. Just like that, it just says all set. Your request has been submitted. You can close this window. Now, if we visit the collaborator screen, we can see that Steve has an account. His name's here, his ID, his email address, and what program he was added to is all right here. And you'll also notice that his status has been set to pending. So if we click on Steve, we can manually change his status right here. We can set him to active. Alternatively, we could have checked the box and clicked activate. Either one would work just fine. But you can see he is now set to active. In this scenario, we have 3 different programs on our site: an affiliate program, a super affiliate program, and a blog content program. The affiliate program is public facing and anybody can join it. We also want the blog content program to be public facing so that anybody can join it as well. However, the blog content program is a completely separate thing and we pay it on top of what we pay for our affiliate programs. So we want to actually create a way for our collaborators who are in, say, the affiliate program to also be able to publish content on our site. So in this case, we actually want a separate form for them to be able to register for the blog content program and allow them to be able to actually join this program whenever they sign up for that form. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's add a new page. We're going to call this page Join Our Blog Content Bonus Program. And we're going to use another Siren form. So you can click on the little plus over here on the side, but I'm a big fan of hitting the backslash to be able to start typing because I'm always searching anyway. So I'll type in Siren, and there I've got that form again. So this time we're going to set the status to pending, just like we did before. We're going to tick the Approve Existing Collaborators box because anytime a collaborator signs up with this one, if they're already a collaborator in a different program, we want to always approve them and just let them in the program. Whenever they sign up, they should join the blog content program in this case. Let's go ahead and click Publish. Okay, now we're looking at the front end form on the site that says Join Our Blog Content Bonus Program. We're going to specify our nickname as Brad. Our name is Brad Wellington, and we're actually going to give the same email address that we used whenever we set up Brad's collaborator account, brad@wellington. And we're going to click Submit. This time, whenever we check our email, we're going to see that this was sent to Brad, and it says, action required, validate updates to your account. So basically this is saying, hey, we received a request that somebody wants to change your affiliate account or that somebody wants to change your collaborator account on this website. If that was you and you meant to do this, click on this link. This is how we prevent people from automatically like manipulating other people's programs and somehow messing them up. This was us. We are in fact Brad. Let's go ahead and click on this link. There we go. All set. Your request has been submitted. So we can now close that window. Now, because we didn't say that we wanted to approve it, we did not receive an email for the approval. But had we set it to do that, we would also receive an email in our inbox to basically review that Brad wants to be added to that collaborator, and we would click a link and it would approve us. Okay, so now that we're logged in as the administrator again, let's go take a look at our collaborators. And there you go. Just like that, you can see Brad has automatically been added to the blog content program.